up, guys? It's your boy Mark. You here with Team Profit Over Wages. We really getting paid, not going through the phases. And today, man, I'm just about to show y'all the specialness of the company, the great prices that we have. You will not find these prices anywhere else. And once you do, we have 110% guarantee to match that price and even lower it for you. So what I'm about to do is go over here. I'm about to show you a whole week stay in Cancun. I don't know if you will ever find these prices. So for 7 days, the whole total is $92. I'm going to say that again. The whole total is $92, $13 per night. I don't know where you would find these prices. I don't know where. And like I said, if you find anything cheaper, we will match it 110%. 100, like I said, $92, not even 100. This is with tax. With tax. This is with tax. That's crazy. For 7 days. 7 days, $92. Now, I'm about to show you the rooms, some of the rooms. This is Las Vegas right here. And what we also have, this is something special. This is very special. 5-star rooms. Okay, public price on it show you all the other websites and their prices. It's $1,000 and $17 on everywhere else. Come on our website, get the same room, same hotel for $690. How can you beat that? Everywhere else, it's $1,000 and $17. I don't know if I said that right. $1,017. I'm just so excited. That's why I'm slurring on my words and everything. But hey, I'm not perfect. But look, you cannot get this room cheaper anywhere else. You will be saving $327. What could you do with that $327 that you saving? What? Just think about it right now. You can get you a rental car. You can use that money to have more fun in Vegas. It's all up to you. It's yours. You get to save it. You get to keep it. So, man, this is crazy. We're gonna go down some more. Another 5-star room in Vegas. Everywhere else is $731. You can compare the price here on our live website. You can go to all of these places. You can type this in Expedia. You can go type in the same hotel and see how much it is. And I guarantee you, you will not get it for this cheap. $518 is what you would get this 5-star resort for. So you'll be saving $213. Once again, with this one, anywhere else, you'll be getting it for $1,040. With our website, you get it for $849. Now, this is just some examples. We can go anywhere in the world. Anywhere you want to go. Anywhere you want to go, we can go. It's all up to you. So, let's say that was what it was. Let's go to Miami. Let's check Miami. We're going to check Miami. That's a good place to go. We're going to check Miami. Let's see. So it'll take you a second for it to pull up the best prices for you. But once again, I want to say, if you just want to become a customer, I'm looking at my phone. But if you want to be a customer and not a TSA, you can get the same website for free. You don't have to pay nothing. All you have to do is just DM me, and I give you your own website with these discounts on it, and you can just book your trip whenever you want to go on a trip. And I'm gonna change this to 5 stars because it goes. You can get a 2-star room, but I don't know who want a 2-star room. So, like I said, Miami, you get the finest things. You're saving up to 46%. Everywhere else, $2,877. You can get it for $1,561 right here. You can compare the prices from any other website right here. I'm telling y'all, this is something special. This is something special. I don't know how else to put it. We're going to go back to this week stay. I just want to let you know, like, man, that's crazy. Like, look at this. You can't beat that. And we all got hotels, cruises. You got cruises packages. You got rental cars. You got flights, the week stays, the lifestyle, which is the activities, the tours, everything that you could possibly do when you're traveling. you get it for cheaper with us. Now, how do you get these websites? How do you get these deals? You have to go through a TSA, which is me or anybody else that's a part of this company. So like I said, you don't have to pay for anything if you want this web. You can get this same website for free. You don't have to pay anything at all. So if you are booking a trip soon, if you want to, let me log back in. This is what it'll look like once you get your own everything. I send you a code, you create your own account, and boom, you got your own free website. It's that simple. Now, like I said, you can go anywhere in the world. This is just not for the United States. It's just anywhere you want to go. Put in your destination when you want to go. It's just like booking anywhere else, but except you get your discounts. So if you're going anywhere soon, you can get this website for free. You get all of this for free. It's nothing, no catch. The only catch, now there is a catch. The only catch is I would want you to screenshot how much you'll save for your trip. That's it. That's the only catch. Nothing else. You get all of this for free, 100% free. But the only catch is you to screenshot how much you'll be saving on your trip. And that's it. That's the only catch. Now, everybody else, you have to pay up front every month for these discounts, or you have to pay a fee to get your website. It's free for you. Anywhere you want to go, you'll save on everything. We have the 110% lowest guarantee on any hotel that you pick or find. And like I said, if you do happen to find any hotel cheaper, we will match it and lower it 110%. And I just want to let you know, like, I'm going to click right here. I'm going to show you. This is live on the website right here. Find a lower price anywhere. We will refund you 110% of the difference. And then, you know what I'm saying? You have to just put the link here and then submit it. And then we'll do what we have to do. But I had somebody do this. They told me, they was like, hey man, this room on this website is such and such price. I think they said it was like $323. And on our website it was $327 with tax. Now I told that specific person, I said, go through your booking like you're about to book it and get all the way down to when you're about to see the tax and everything. Guess how much that room ended up being for 4 nights? It was $723 with tax, but it only showed the $323, like I said at the beginning. But with them other websites, you have to go all the way through to see the tax. Our websites is with tax. Everything is included. Everything is included. Now, I also want to say, let me click on Orlando right quick. Let me just click on Orlando. I just want to show y'all. Something right quick. Let me just show y'all something. Now, with our rooms, it comes with a lot. It comes with breakfast. It depends on which room you click, but most of all of our rooms come with breakfast, guaranteed breakfast, shuttle from the hotel. You got activities you can save on, lifestyle. It's just amazing, man. It's amazing. It is amazing. It's amazing. And it's crazy because nobody knows about this, or nobody really know about the behind the curtain prices. Like I said in my last presentation video on this company, a lot of people only know about discounted prices and the retail prices. That's the only two things they know about. But they do not know about the behind the curtain prices, which is what we provide y'all. That is the product that we have. So if you want to travel more, save more, just DM me. Wherever you going, I promise you, it will be cheaper on this website. And it don't cost you anything. Nothing at all, but just to book your trip. And like I said, the only catch is to screenshot how much you'll be saving on your trip. Now, if you want to become a TSA, you can do that as well. I have training. I have all of that stuff in place for everybody that wants to learn how to do it. And that will be another video, but this is just for the customers. This particular video is just for the customers. I'm showing y'all a live like the live website. I'm showing y'all exactly what you get just for being a customer. Just for being one of my customers, this is what you get. A free website. You can book your own trips and everything. See how much you're saving. I don't have to touch a card. I don't have to do anything but give you this website. That's it. So there was just this short video, man. So if y'all like this type of content, if y'all like what I showed y'all, don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Man, I'm just excited. This is just crazy. I never really actually seen anything like this. Cause like I said, everybody else get points. Everybody else get points to just add up to money or points towards going to a trip. You get actual cash for each time your customer save. But like I said, that is in another video. If you want to become a TSA, I will show y'all how to do it. It's simple. This is amazing, man. So I just want to let y'all know I'm going on a trip and on May 9th to Houston. Now the room where the resort that I'm getting, I think it was $495 everywhere else. For 4 nights, I'm getting it for $110. $110 for 4 nights in Houston? A 5-star room, 5-star resort? It's amazing. And there will be many, many more trips that I'll be going on, but I just want to keep y'all updated that we are going live in Houston in about 2 weeks. I will be vlogging, so y'all just keep up with me, man. Y'all gonna love it. So, yo, I'm excited. I just want to share this with y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. I'm trying to hit 100K subscribers. I'm at 25. It's going to take y'all help. It's going to take y'all help, but I'm going to get there. Don't forget to click that bell either so y'all will be the first to know when I drop a video. Other than that, your boy, I'm out.